Okay, my dears, here we are in question number 8 of exercise 6.3. Let's read the question and try and understand. Actually, this is exactly same as question number 7. Okay, only this is also a word problem, and whatever we have done in question number 7, this is exactly same like that. Okay, let's read. 2025 plants are to be planted in the garden in such a way that each row contain as many plants as the number of rows. Now you need to understand what is row, and in each row there are as many plants as the number of rows. What is mean by that? You have to understand till here. Row means a line. Okay, suppose this is row 1, row 2, like this. Row 3, row 4, like this. Okay, I'll not write the numbers, I'll just make a line. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. How many rows are there now? Yes, there are 4 rows. Now 4 rows, that's why in each row there are how many plants? How many rows are there? That much plant will be there. So here are 4 rows, so each row will have 4 plants. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. If there are 5 rows, then each row will have 5 plants. But just this is an example. I made here 4 rows. That's why in each row there I'm putting 4 plants. Suppose these dots are the plants. Okay. Now tell me how many total plants are there. You'll count the number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many plants are there in one row? 4. 4 into 4, 16. You count the total, you will get 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Isn't it? So the question is telling you this. I hope all of you have understood. I'll try to make you understand in once more. Please look at the screen properly. Suppose there are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows. That means 3 rows are there. So each row will have 3 plants. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now total how many plants are there? Rows is also 3. In each row 3 plant is there. 3 into 3, 9 plants are there total. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I hope all of you have understood this. Now let's read the question further. Find the number of rows and the number of plant in each row. Let's start with the first question. Let the number of rows be x. If number of rows is 2, suppose row is 2, then each row will have how many plants? Number of plants in each row will be also 2, because the number of row is 2. So number of plant in each row will be also 2. So in the same way, we have taken the number of rows as x. So the number of plant in each row will be x, isn't it? It should be equal. Number of rows and number of plant in each row is equal. So if number of row is x, number of plant in each row is also x. Now how we will take out the total number of plant? We'll multiply number of rows into number of plant in each row. So number of row is x and number of plant in each row is also x. X into x is x square. So this is total number of plants. So total number of plant is x into x. Now again, given total number of plant, what is given in the question? 2025. So now in place of this total number of plant, we are putting what we have got right now here. It is x into x, that is x square. And the right hand side will remain as it is, 2025. Now I told you in question number 7, if you remove this square, from here, square root will come over here. Okay, now you'll have to do the LCM of this number, and we got this factors. So we'll write all the factors. In place of this, we are writing the factor 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now let us make pair. So to move a square root sign, in place of a pair, we'll write only one. So 3 has two pairs, so we'll write 2 3s. So 5 is one pair, so we'll write 1 5. So when you multiply this, 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So the value of x is 45. And what is x? Number of row is also x. Number of plant in each row is also x. That is, required number of row is 45 and number of plant in each row equal to 45. That means 45 rows are there, 45, and number of plant in each row is also 45. Are you getting my point? I hope all of you have understood this. Okay, let's move to the next question. That is question number 9.